So it's almost been a year, well, a couple months to a year that I've had this studio. But unfortunately, I have failed, and this studio has never become what I hoped it to be. Alright guys, what's up? Eric here. So yes, we are unfortunately leaving this studio space. I have been in the studio space for almost a year now, and I've made some videos on studio renovations and whatnot, and they've been alright. Unfortunately, I've never been able to produce the quality of content that I've desired. I've never even done an office tour video because this office space never became what I wanted it to be. And now it's definitely not gonna cut it. Trevor Barnes and I don't know if you remember Trevor, he's been on several videos in the past. Him and I are starting a new project, a new company. And I don't know if the teaser is up just yet, so check that out on the channel if it's not up already. But we have a lot of projects in the works and we need a lot more studio space. So that's the biggest reason why we're leaving. But even besides that project, whenever you're working on any sort of project, whether it's a creative project, you're starting a production company, art studio, whatever, you have to look at your limitations and see how you can overcome them. Some of my biggest limitations have been this space, this office space. Not only is it only 200 square feet, which really isn't enough room at all, it's only a one room, if you will. I have no place to really store gear, no place to build sets, and I am filming and editing all in the same room, which if it was just myself working in this space, that would be probably all right. But I have multiple people that come in and out of this office space every single day that work for me, that work with me, and not having enough space is very frustrating. So we are moving on to bigger and better things, and I can't wait to take you along for that ride. So with that said, what I should mention is stay tuned. We're gonna be doing some really good studio renovations, studio building videos, vlogs. We'll be taking you along on the journey of what is our new studio, our new office space, and it's going to be fantastic. So stay tuned for that. And guys, I'll catch you in the next video.